Hello, my name is Ronald. I'm a Ugandan from the northwestern side of the country, a place called West Nile. I'm a student of Farming Academy and Hunger Relief Africa. I'm privileged to be associated with this program that Farming Academy, in partnership with Hunger Relief, has brought us. The program I'm talking about is sheep and goat production. The things we've been learning that I feel I should let you know in summary form. I've learned about sheep nutrition, that is in terms of nutrients, say proteins, carbohydrates, the vitamins, and what they do, why they're necessary for the animal, and the demands of these feeds for the different stages of the sheep. Say from the lambs to the sheep, including everything in between. I've also learned about animal health in general. That includes diseases, signs and symptoms, how they present themselves, how we can possibly prevent them, as well as treat in any case need arises. Of recent, I've learned about sheepdogs and livestock garden dogs. I must say this is so interesting to me because the region I'm from has a lot of predators, especially in terms of baboons. That's a problem to sheep. Not really sheep, but lambs and kids. So I thought the idea of the sheepdogs would be a good one to try out here, to try to curb up this challenge of the baboon as predators. And this makes me so lucky that I've met someone who could share their knowledge with me and the rest. And in this program, there are new things I've learned. One of them is what we call flushing, giving extra feed, extra ration of feed to sheep for about 2 to 3 weeks prior to tapping to increase your chances of ovulation so that you may have more than one lamb. And this is something I did not know before, and I feel I should let you know, I should share with you. And the business part of sheep production, I mean the economics. Whatever we do here should make sense of business. At the end of the day, we need to make some money out of what we're doing. And this is something we take seriously, something I've learned. I try to give it in consideration in this program. I must say I'm inspired to go further, start my own sheep production, hopefully in the near future. After I would have picked, I would have gone through the program that I earlier on talked about. Because of the usefulness of this knowledge I've gained, I feel, yes, it should also reach other people too. It should be extended to other people too. Make use of it. So that, yes, we realize the dream of hunger relief, that poverty should be eradicated like the way it's supposed to be, as well as nutrition. Everyone should have access to good nutrition. I must say I'm very, very happy to have met you once again. Thank you. Bye.